Hi everyone, and welcome back to Outfit for Life TV. Believe it or not, we're here again at another SEMA show. It's 2010, we're back with A.R.E, and they've been working on a lot of project trucks this year in their own facility. But first we're going to walk around the show and look at some of the feature vehicles that our truck caps and tonneau covers are placed on. First off, we're here with the Bud Balmer truck. It's a 2011 Ford F-150. We've got our LSX series tonneau cover on it. We're going to take a look around and talk to Bud to see what he plans to do with this truck. All right, we're here at our first feature vehicle. We're with Bud Balmer, who's with Race Trim, and this is his 2011 F-250. Obviously, it's got an LSX series tonneau cover on it. Bud, how are you?
Great, thank you.
Good, good to see you.
Very good to see you.
What are your plans with this truck?
The truck is basically a project vehicle for SEMA, but it's also a race support vehicle for Race Trim. Race Trim manufactures suspension seating for off-road racing vehicles. We'll be traveling to the races on the West Coast and supporting those racers who use their Race Trim product.
Great. So how do you like the LSX series?
Oh, excellent. It's been an excellent product. The fit, the function is beautiful. But the most important thing to me in building this truck was that the design of the lid matched the design of the 2011 Ford pickup, it's very distinctive. If you look at the hood of the vehicle, it's very distinctive, and the lid matches it, and it just really sets the truck out.
Great. Glad you like it. Well, I hope you have a great show. Thank you for talking with us today.
Nice talking with you.
We are here at our next project vehicle. You're probably wondering what this is behind me. Well, first off the basics, it's a 2008 GMC 1-ton Duramax diesel. Now the fun stuff. Tim Samaras, one of the stars of Storm Chasers on the Discovery Channel, came to A.R.E looking for a truck cap that really helped him go out in the field and chase tornadoes. He needed something unique, he needed something custom. So let's take a look at what A.R.E did for him. If you walk down, they definitely modified their truck cap to build something very unique. We're going to talk to Tim to see what goes in this truck cap and what he does out in the field. All right, here we are with Tim Samaras. Hi Tim, how are you doing?
Good morning, I'm doing great.
Good, good. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about this amazing truck. Wanted to see, what your equipment is and what you do with it.
Well, this vehicle is specifically built to chase tornadoes and also to deploy instruments that weigh as much as 400 pounds in the path, directly in the path of tornadoes. And so what we do each spring, we take this vehicle out on the road. We try to forecast to the best of our ability where we think these storms are going to happen. We drive out in the path of tornadoes and try to deploy instruments in the path of tornadoes so we can understand and learn more about them. And of course, after we deploy, we run like heck.
I would be running before I deploy. So how does this truck and the truck cap specifically that A.R.E designed for you help you haul these instruments?
Well, the A.R.E cap actually houses all of our in situ instruments on the inside, and then when we get ready for deployment, we drag them out, get them assembled, get them put up on the Tommy lift gate, and get them ready to go for an active day. The entire vehicle is actually coated in a polymer coating by Line-X, and the purpose of that is so that it can survive some extreme hail, because the storms that create tornadoes also create incredible hail. And the vehicle has actually survived hailstones up to 2.5 inches without a mark, without a single mark.
Well, it looks great up close. It's really neat to see, and I'm glad we got a chance to talk to you about what you use this for. If you guys want to learn more and watch more, Tim is on Storm Chasers on the Discovery Channel on Tuesday nights at 10.
Wednesday nights.
Wednesday nights at 10, I'm sorry. And you can always go to www.4are.com to learn more. Here we are at the American Forest booth, and we're looking at a 2011 F-350. A.R.E put their LS2 series tonneau cover on this truck, and we're here with Robert from American Forest. Just wanted to say hi to him and see what his plans are for the truck. Hi, Robert.
Hello. This is our 2011 Ford F-350. It's the first truck on 26-inch wheels, and this truck itself is going to be featured in 3 major publications, and will be a feature on many of the car shows we'll be attending this year.
So how do you like the truck cap or tonneau cover that we put on here for you?
The lid is perfect. It fits perfect. It's streamlined with the vehicle. Looks great. Fits in with the whole smoothness of the truck. It's a brilliant fit.
Great, great. Well, we're glad you like it. You guys get to get a shot of this up close because the speckles and the sparkles in this paint are amazing. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you at the next truck. Now we're back here at the A.R.E booth, and I am with Tom Holm of Ecotrek, and we're here with the 2011 Chevy Silverado that we've outfitted with an MX Series truck cap. Hi Tom, how are you?
Good, Casey. How you doing?
Good, good. Tell us about this truck and what all you're doing with it.
The EcoTruck Foundation is known for promoting renewable fuels and materials in the auto industry. So this truck is going to be taken around the country and educating people about renewable parts that can be used in cars, things like recyclable wheels, recyclable tires. And the big push that we're talking about is that the truck runs on something called cellulosic ethanol, which is ethanol made from wood chips, grass, trees, things like that. And so we're taking it around the country and showing off the different parts to it.
Great. So I'm assuming the products that you've added on, all the aftermarket accessories, have some type of a green element. That's a big thing in the aftermarket right now. What all you got on here? What do you like about the truck?
What I like about the truck is I actually drive it all the time. And so I've built this one for my lifestyle. I'm constantly camping, I'm going off-road, I'm going to beaches and just all over the country. And so it's built for me. That's what I love about it. What I like about the environmental aspects about it is we work with companies like Bedrug, which is distributed by A.R.E. Bedrug makes this, their padded rug parts that are made from recycled plastic bottles. My ProComp tires are made in America, right here. They're not shipped in from overseas. My tires, my wheels, my Magnuson exhaust, all of these components are made from recycled products and or recyclable products. I'm using fuel that's made by American farmers. It's grown in cornfields where the corn kernels are used for food, but the stalk, the husk, the rest of it is used for my fuel. So basically I'm burning moonshine in my truck, which is great because all my grandparents were all bootleggers.
Like
so I'm carrying on the family tradition. And NASCAR is starting to run ethanol. The Indy Race League runs ethanol. And one of the reasons I wanted to work with A.R.E., I researched all of the different cab companies or the truck shell companies, and A.R.E. had the most comprehensive recycling program, and also they take a lot of pride in eliminating the emissions that come from their factories. What they do is they burn off a lot of their emissions so that only 97% of all emissions are burned off at the factory. That's massive. I mean, that is a huge contribution, especially from a company that's making fiberglass. Additionally, they're recycling their fiberglass. And that's revolutionary. Some things seem very simple to people where they think fiberglass can be recycled. It's very difficult to do that, and that's what I love about A.R.E. is they made the conscious effort and they're putting in the extra time and work to recycle their products, burn off their emissions. It's an American-made product. It fits right into our message.
Great. Well, we love to hear about it, and obviously it's a high-quality product. The MX series, as you guys know, is built for the lifestyle. Camping is ideal for this cap. You can throw an inflatable mattress in there and hang out for the weekend. So I'm glad we got a chance to talk to you and work with you. If you guys want to learn more, go to www.4are.com. All right, guys, here we are at the 2010 SEMA show, and it's the debut of the Pro Football Hall of Fame A.R.E. project truck. We're really excited to have this truck here. It was a quick time coming. We got this truck done in 5 or 6 weeks. Very quick project. As you can see, we have a lot of accessories and aftermarket products added to it. We've got our LSX tonneau cover on the back. We're going to be taking you through this in more detail later, but we just wanted to show you the great attention it's been getting here at the show. It's been nonstop traffic. We've had some Pro Football Hall of Famers signing autographs, drawn a lot of buzz, and we want to give a special thanks to Trent's Trick Upholstery. They helped us get this project done in no time flat so we could make it to the show, and we couldn't be happier with the results. It looks awesome. Okay guys, now we're here at our next project truck. We're actually in the Ford booth, and I'm with John Wargo of the Custom Shop. He's got a 2010 F-150 that we've added an LSX tonneau cover to. So we just wanted to say hi to John, see how he was doing, how the show's going for him.
We're here in the Ford booth with 2000 Ford F-150. It's called an FX2. This is the new 3.5 liter twin turbo motor from Ford. So it's kind of a new thing. It'll be out, probably I think the first part of next year.
So what's your plans with the truck? Where do you plan to take it?
We do a lot of big car shows and things like that. So our plan is to take it out and promote our product. What we do. The full custom builds, paint, all that stuff, as well as show off products like the A.R.E. cover. And Ford wants us to show people that they got the new twin turbo motor in their car, or their truck, I should say. So I mean, basically we'll be taking it all over throughout the next year to different car shows and promoting, you know, my company and all the other sponsors that are on board.
Great. If people want to learn more, what's your website?
It's customshop.org.
Customshop.org. You guys heard it here. Take a look and also visit our site, www.4are.com.